Hi everyone, welcome along to my weather channel. Hope you've had a great day so far. This week's not looking too flash with further rain, unfortunately, and that's throughout the week as well. We've got some fine breaks in amongst that as well. Just run through the forecast over the next week or so. Just remember that Saturday and Sunday at this stage are still obviously things may very well change between now and then. Tonight I should say, chilly temperatures linger, increasing clouds with showers developing, turning to rain this evening. Northeast winds become gusty at times in exposed places. On Tuesday, cloudy with rain during the day with heavy falls possible, easing to rain showers later in the day, northeast winds. On Wednesday, cloudy with heavy rain possible in the morning. Rain eases to showers during the day. A chance of fine breaks by evening. Northwest winds developing. On Thursday, cloudy with rain developing in the morning. A chance of an isolated thunderstorm. At this stage it is low. Rain eases to showers later in the afternoon. Northwesterly winds. On Friday, fine breaks. Passing cloud, the chance of a shower by evening. Northwest winds become gusty, possibly severe for a time. On Saturday, mostly fine with a chance of rain showers and northwesterly winds. And Sunday, at this stage, passing cloud with showers. Fine breaks developing later in the afternoon. Gusty northwest winds at this stage. So that's all for now. And it's going to be a bit of a messy week, unfortunately. Alright, I'll keep you posted. Have a great evening, and we'll see you soon. Thanks.